What is going on, everybody? Jim here. Thank you for checking out this video and clicking on it to learn the G major scale left hand. And that's what we're going to do. It's going to be in two parts. I'm going to go ahead and talk about and demonstrate the left hand and give important tips so you don't have any kind of lag or, as some teachers say, stuttering in your playing. And then the second part will be a play along with different camera angles so you can check out what I'm doing with my wrist and fingers and all that stuff. Definitely, if you can, get your phone out and you can play with me during the play along, because while you are learning hands-on, your brain is working and you're listening, and that is really important. I do want to touch upon that I did a C major scale lesson in detail, left hand, right hand, and then both hands. A lot of those techniques will apply for this scale, hence why we want building blocks, a strong foundation. So you might want to check out that scale because I'm going to be leaving out some of those tips that you can apply to this. So this is just bare bones, the G major scale. So let's begin. All right, so those who are interested in reading music, the G major scale, the key signature looks like this, and you can see that I have the notes and fingerings on the screen as well, highlighted notes. All right, I'm going to go ahead and break this down. It's similar to other major scales. We have 5, a block of 5. Okay, try to see that in one glance, and then a block of 3. I'm going to put my third finger on this E. So just practice that a little bit. Very similar to the C scale. An important tip when I go up the scale, I'm going to start from here, playing 3, 4. All right, so the important tip for this lesson is, do you notice when we're playing the G scale, some new learners are usually on this side of the keys. We need to bring our hands in so we don't avoid stuttering. We need to get to that F sharp. So practice the third finger on E, the 2, F sharp, and then the 1. So you're playing like this, E, F sharp, and then G. So I'll play that again slower. D. Getting ready, I'm bringing my third finger over this far into the keyboard, the E, because then I can get to the F sharp easier. So get used to that. If you catch yourself with flat hands or playing to the edge, you're going to stutter and you could easily miss. Going back down, G, it's a 3 by the way, and then a 5. So G, F sharp, E, D, going back down, make sure you're fluid. So you're playing thumb under the hand, but your body's moving too, meaning your elbow is relaxed and you're going out. I know I say this all the time, but you're leading with the elbow. One more time. Avoid unnecessary twisting and don't lock your elbow. Check out the play alongs. I do have different camera angles, and if you wish, I'd love to have you play with me. Let's do this. Drums up front, 2 measures. 1, 2, whole note. For a half note. Half note. Quarter note. Try this pattern. Half note, quarter, quarter. All right, let me know how you did. Let me know how you like the content. I appreciate the feedback because I'm here for you. And if you do like my content, it's a fairly new channel, about a month and a half now. Go ahead and hit the like button because it really helps the channels out. And also consider subscribing. Until next time, please take care. Bye-bye.